Yeah, Mark, here's your all aluminum 427 small block Ford. Kind of give you a description of this combination. Got a set of AFR cylinder heads on it. Ford Motorsports aluminum block. Got the Edelbrock multi-point manifold. Got a Holley throttle body. Terminator X Holley ECU brake system. Got the March Serpentine belt set up. Make sure it charged for you. Take you in there and show you it ran. Alrighty, 4,491 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 538. Real flat there. Peaks horsepower 602. Lots of sixes, real flat up there too. We rated it at 600. It's got a front end on it, so it's really good. We'll get her off in our crate. I think it's going to New Zealand. So have a great day.